Hi, I'm Terry. Today I'm going to unbox a Slage or Slage, whatever name you want to call it, the Slage Sense. This is a newer product. It's built on their successful line of residential electronic deadbolts and also key knobs. So this is the electronic deadbolt, the Slage Sense. The cool thing with this is some of the big problems of the earlier electronic locks, this is using Bluetooth 4.0. The advantages of the Bluetooth 4.0 is the encrypted signal. So again, it's to good standards, it's encrypted. And also Bluetooth, as opposed to Wi-Fi or the Z-Wave or Zigbee and all the other protocols for talking with your electronic locks, Bluetooth lasts forever. The batteries just go on forever and ever. Also, the Bluetooth is good for about 40 feet, again, depending upon your building and all sorts of things. But again, the Bluetooth 4.0 is fantastic for encryption, and the other thing is long battery life. So you're going to get a lot of battery life out of this. Some of the earlier problems with the other electronic deadbolts is they were just sucking through battery power like crazy because the Wi-Fi is just constantly draining the batteries. Even when they go into sleep mode, it's just a big battery hog. So whenever you're looking at any product, any Bluetooth product, make sure it's a 4.0 at a minimum, 4.0 for the encryption, and also it's not a battery hog. So we're going to unbox this. It's the residential version. I absolutely love their products. Here we go. This is my Smith & Wesson. It's got seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, beautiful opening, closing. Love it. So as we open it up, again, nicely packaged. I call it the oil rub finish. Let's pull out some more stuff here. What else do we have? Oh, lots of instructions. Let's get all this out of the way. Trim plate. Oh, we got batteries, which is good. One key. I'll just open this up. All my bits and pieces. So they gave us, Duracells. Excellent batteries. Plates. Screws. Again, pretty simple. This will be the drive-in or mortise. And what do we have here? Instructions. So here we have user guide, instructions. Now this one is compatible out of the box with Apple TV. So this one you need Apple TV. Also, if you're going to run it with any other program, you're going to need the Wi-Fi adapter. We'll show that at another video. So out of the box, this is Bluetooth capable. Now you have to download the app, so just go to the App Store. Just Google Slage Sense, get it. The app downloads quickly. Put it on your Android or your iPhone, and that's for accessing the making the lock open and close. We'll hook this up on a panel. We'll see how it looks. So again, out of the box, pretty good. It's the Slage Sense. Now, the Slage, which is pretty good, even with the Wi-Fi adapter and hooking it all up, as a security precaution, and there's no way around it at the moment, you cannot say open door or Alexa, open Slage door.
Sorry, I'm having trouble with understanding.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's not hooked up to work through the Wi-Fi to open up the door. You got to watch that on some of these other electronic products. Out of the box, you can say Alexa or Google or whatever and open the door. and it will open from outside. So
I'm not sure.
yeah, I know. Better not say the name anymore. So again, it's an interesting product. We're playing with all the different Google, Amazon products, and Apple, Apple Care, Apple Home. Out of the box, this will not open through your voice commands. You have to use your app on your cell phone, or you have to plug in, punch in your number. The interesting thing is we can have. I got to check on all the specs, but I'm pretty sure we can have temporary codes that will just work for a bit. Now, through your app and your cellular into the Wi-Fi and through your internet to your home, so you can do this remotely, let people in remotely, or give people codes. So it's great for Airbnb. Again, this is a residential lock. We've had very good luck even we've had excellent luck putting these on Airbnbs and also some bed and breakfasts. I'm going to put this on a customer who wants to be able to remotely see who comes and goes. I think he's checking on his kids when he goes away on vacation. Good product. There are other products. We'll see how this one is. We're going to test it. We're going to put it up on the door, and we'll try all the different options and see how it works. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. We'll go from there. Have you some follow-up videos soon. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.